Enw i di Aled Jones, dwi'n ffarmio ar gyrion tre Caernarfon, wedi bod yn ffarmio yma ers 1963. Ffarm laeth ydi hon, yn cadw rhyw 450 o warthagodro. Oedd yn nhad yn deud na fodd yr wythfa'r genhedlaeth yn ffarmio, wedyn dwi'n gobeithio fydd yna genedlaethau i ddod ar yn hola ni hefyd. But we look upon slurry today as a big value to our business because we've been able to reduce the amount that we buy in purely because of the fact that we make better use of our slurry. I want to be in a situation where the slurry is not managing me and I want to be able to manage the slurry. So as the years have progressed, we've kept more cows, we've had to invest considerable amounts really on the farm and particularly on storage of slurry.
When we joined the Glastir scheme and the acres scheme, we had to undertake a nutrients management scheme on the farm. Now, that was really good for me personally because it made me really appreciate the value of the nutrients that we had on farm. Today, of course, we target the slurry in such a way to make best use of it, and I don't want to be wasting anything of it either. I appreciate the responsibility that we have as farmers to make sure that we are not polluters. This last winter where we were able to apply in January, not because we were full by a distance, but because the land was fit, the conditions were warm, the soil was not cold, and when the soils are still fairly warm, the roots will take it in and grow grass. And we were having to map the farm, of course, so we identify soil conditions, those which are lighter soils, heavier soils, water courses, streams, springs as well, all these sorts of things that we have on the farm. So we know full well, where on the farm you can apply slurries. As a farmer and as a food producer, I'm acutely aware of the responsibilities that I have to make sure what I produce is natural, good, healthy, clean, pure. When we farm, everything that we do takes into consideration the environment. We want to make sure that we maintain the quality of the water that we have on the farm. I'm really proud to be a dairy farmer, a food producer, and producing that food whilst caring for the environment.